Welcome back to an episode of Mechanical Nightmare.
Customer states, only check brake noise. Only interested in fixing brakes. Only interested in fixing brakes. Only brakes.
Customer states their car won't shift. This plastic was in every part of the transmission. Mechanic bought this used transfer case for their 1994 Jeep that only worked in 4 high and found this inside.
I have never. Shiny.
Coworker had no clue their car was struggling to stop.
Craftsman?
Is there air in here? No, the bead's off on the back.
Or a crescent? Not interested.
It is a 10 mil.
That just goes to show you how good of a sock that is.
Yeah, let's see. Get a shot of the side. Nice. Yeah, you don't see that every day. Shot. No. Fuck.
Customer declined all repairs, only wanting a muffler. This really shouldn't be on the road.
Almost.
Somehow this spare tire exploded, even though it had never been on the road. Customer states, please replace my flat tire. This customer sent in this video complaining of a weird ticking noise and smoke. After being told to check the oil, they replied there was none on the dipstick. It took 3 quarts of oil before it even showed on the minimum mark. Hyundai Santa Fe just rod knocked into the shop after burning all of its oil. 3 quarts added to get it to full.
Give it just a little bit of gas.
Thanks for watching. You can submit your own videos using the link below. Also remember to like and subscribe.